Hello everyone, I am Hannah Grace, a second-year pharmacy student, and here's what I learned during my first year. Sa mga previous vids, na-discuss natin yung dalawang rule na magagamit natin based on age. Ngayon, ito na yung huli, Fryde's Rule. Let's proceed. Itong rule na to ay ginagamit para sa mga bata na may edad 2 years old pababa. At ito ang ating working formula. So yung 150 na may kita nyo dyan sa formula ay estimate siya ng age ng isang individual na usually or normally makaka-receive ng adult dose. So yung estimate natin is 12.5 years or 150 months. Now, try natin gamitin. A 10-month-old child is prescribed acetaminophen with an adult dose of 500 mg. Using Fryde's Rule, what is the child's dose? So dahil nasa Fryde's Rule tayo, focus pa rin tayo sa age, pero dapat naka-months. So, focus tayo sa 10 months at 500 mg. Kasi yun yung adult dose. So dahil wala namang need i-convert, proceed na tayo sa paggamit ng formula. So 10 divided by 150 times 500 mg, we will get 33.33 mg. A 0.7-year-old child needs cefuroxime for a respiratory infection. The adult dose of cefuroxime is 250 mg every 12 hours. Using Fryde's Rule, calculate the appropriate dose per administration for the child in milligrams. If the child is prescribed to take this dose for 7 days, what is the total amount of cefuroxime in milligrams the child will receive during the entire treatment? So sa ating problem, dalawang hinihingi. Appropriate dose per administration na naka-milligrams at ang total amount ng cefuroxime na dapat ma-receive nung bata during the whole treatment, which is 7 days. So let's look at the given. 0.7-year-old, 250 mg at 7 days. So formula natin, age at adult dose lang ang kailangan. Pero dito, di ba dapat naka-months, nakita natin na naka-year. So i-convert muna natin si 0.7 years sa months. So to do that, lagay natin 0.7 years is equals to ilang months ba meron sa isang year? So, meron tayong 12 months. So, ilalagay natin sa katabi nun is 12 months over 1 year. Then, cancel similar units. Then, proceed to multiplication since 1 ang denominator. Ang sagot ay 8.4 months. So, dahil naka-months na, proceed na tayo sa formula. 8.4 divided by 150 times 250 mg is equals to 14 mg per administration. Now, proceed na tayo sa second question. Tandaan natin na meron tayong 14 mg kanina. So, sa dimensional analysis, gagawin natin, meron tayong 14 mg per dose. So, magiging 14 mg over 1 dose. Times, ilang dose ba sa isang araw ang meron? So, dahil 12 hours, so 2 doses yan. Kasi 12 plus 12 equals 24 hours. And 24 hours is equals to 1 day. Then, imumultiply natin siya sa 7 days kasi yun ang regimen. So, cancel all similar units, then proceed to solving. Ang sagot ay 196 mg. Yan ang total amount ng cefuroxime na makukonsume ng bata for the whole 7-day regimen. Madali lang, di ba? Next video, we'll proceed with Clark's Rule. At kung gusto mo pang matuto, don't forget to follow me and see you on the next video.